What's good, y'all niggas? We back with another video. Laws of the 48 Laws of Power Analysis series. Let's get straight into it. Law number 42. Uh, he says, I don't know what the title of this, but I'll come up with a title. So, but it's basically to do with who actually won the concept of power. So you gotta understand that power is very fluid. It's not. It's like water. It's fluid. Power in a relationship could be from you, and then tomorrow it can be your girl, then tomorrow it can be you, and repeats like that. But now, with this one, what does the law book? What does the book say? It says power can be divided into multiple numbers, but there will always be a few people who actually control everyone. They were like a wolf pack. There's so many people that there's the betas, right? Then the above ones. Then there's the alphas. You see, if you target the betas, nothing happens. But if you target the alphas, you can easily turn those betas into omegas. If you don't know what omegas are, the ones that lone wolf type thing, and alphas are like the leaders, and then beta are the followers. Right? That's why it says it says that if you target the few people who actually control everyone, you target the whole pack, and once the power is destroyed, it's down. It's a downward path from them. Right. So yes, it's okay, but you always have to understand that like destroying companies is easy, but what's the point? You have to create a fan that only when you are there, that is when the company rise, right? You see what I'm saying? Because this will give you some power to your name for you to work with. Because now you can say, no, listen, uh, I'm so and so in the company. I've done X, Y, Z. I think we can do this because I have this experience on this and that. That is why I think we should do it like this. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? And yeah, um, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe, and yeah, holla back at your boy.